In this video, I'm going to talk to you about my DJI Osmo Pocket 3 from a user's perspective. So in this video, we're going to cover quite a bit of ground and talk about the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I've owned my Pocket 3 for about a month now, okay? So one of the things I want to show you is a piece of gear, actually two pieces of gear that I purchased for this. The first piece here is the Sunny Life hard case. Actually, it's plastic, but it works with it perfectly. I'll put a link to in the description below to the Amazon link where I bought it. It took some time for it to come in. I think it came from China, but it took a while for it to get here, but it did get here. And one of the reasons I bought this is because it has the GoPro style clips on the back. Now this thing is all plastic. I don't know how it's going to hold up, but you just put your Pocket 3 in there like this, and you have to line it up. It's got two little holes there for the buttons to line up, and then you close it and you latch it. Okay, you latch it from the back here, and there it is. It's all in this case. It has a cold shoe mount for if you want to put something on there. I don't know, like an external microphone if you don't have the Mic2 that came with the Creator Combo. But the important thing for me was it has a GoPro type mounting tabs in the back of it. And what I wanted to do with this is I wanted to get a device to put this on my backpack when I go hiking so I could use this camera. Hey, real quick, I want to remind you, if you like this video, to give it a thumbs up. And make sure you stay to the second part of the video because I'm going to show you how to use the DJI Mic2 with your iPhone. So anyways, it's all plastic. I don't know what the durability is going to be with it. It does give you access to all the ports, and underneath here where the quarter 20 is on this handle here. You can also put the extra battery handle on it. I've got the Creator Combo, and it'll handle it just fine, okay? So mainly why I got it was for the GoPro connectors in the back, and it just happens to have a bonus here of this cold shoe right here, okay? So we're going to take that off. Now, the second thing I got for my DJI Osmo Pocket 3 was a quick connect made by Falcam. And I'll put a link to that also in the description to Amazon. And what it lets you do is you can put it on the bottom of it. Here it's a quarter 20 screw, and then it comes with a quick connector. And I put it on my tripod that came with the Creator Combo. And it allows you to put the tripod on and off quickly, okay, instead of screwing it. And then you can just put your Osmo Action 3 like that down on the ground. And then when you pick it up, you hit the button and it comes off. So it's just a little quick connect thing. I forget what it costs. You can look it up on Amazon. And really what I like to do, I like it, but I like to have a second one for another camera. So I can use this tripod with two different cameras. So I'm going to look online and see if I can buy just this part of it here without buying that part. So in this part of the video, after I showed you all the little toys I got with it, I want to tell you about a situation that came up today and how I solved the problem. So I like to do videos when I'm at work and doing different things at work. And I had the Pocket 3 with me today, and I had the Mic2 also. And I went ahead and hooked it all up and went to turn on the Pocket 3, and I had an icon in the top left-hand corner that said I did not have an SD card in it. I had left the SD card at home. I was really disappointed. There is no way you can change that or get around that. You know, some of DJI's products have a little bit of internal memory you could record for a little while, but not the Pocket 3. You have to have an SD card in there. So I was kind of bummed. I didn't know what I was going to do. Then I remember seeing a video about somebody who hooked up the Mic2 to their iPhone and made it work. So that's what I did. I attached my Mic2 to my iPhone 13 Pro, and I followed these directions I'm about to give you right now. So now I have the iPhone 13 Pro hooked up, and I'm going to show you how to connect your DJI Mic2 to the iPhone 13 Pro, and I'm assuming it'll work with most other iPhones. It's just a Bluetooth device, that's all it is. First thing you want to do is you want to turn the DJI Mic2 on by holding the power button down, and then the blue light will come on. The second thing you want to do is go under settings on the iPhone, and then you'll be in your Bluetooth devices. Now, the third thing you want to do is you need to hold the linking button, which is right above the power button on the DJI Mic2. Hold it until the blue light starts flashing fast, and it's flashing fast now. If you go look on the iPhone, you'll notice at the bottom of the list, it shows up. You click on that or select that with your finger, and now it says it's connected, and the blue light is solid. So now it's working, okay? Now, there is one problem with this. You cannot use the DJI Mic2 with the native iPhone camera app. It will not work because that app will not let you select your audio sources. So what I had to do is I had to download an app, and it's called the Blackmagic Cam, and it's free. And I'm going to show you that app right now. And I'm going to go in there to the app. Now, one of the things you got to do in this app to use this is you got to go under settings, which is in the bottom right hand corner of this screen. You have to select the audio, and then you have to select your audio source. And if you'll notice here, the audio source is the iPhone microphone. We want to select that, and we want to select the DJI Mic2. Once you do that, hit the setting button again, and it'll take you back to the recording screen. So what we're going to do now is we're going to record a clip, okay, with the DJI Mic2, and then I'll play that back for you on this video. Testing 1, 2. This is the DJI Mic2 hooked up to the iPhone 13 Pro using the Blackmagic Cam app. So we just recorded that little clip right there, and you'll notice the little peaking meter is moving on there, so you know the microphone's working. Now, there is a caveat here. In order to hear the volume from the phone on playback in Blackmagic Cam, you have to turn this microphone off. You don't have to disconnect it from Bluetooth, but you got to turn the microphone off to hear the speaking part of the video. I don't know why that's the way it is. There's probably something quirky about that, but I'm not too sure. I would be fuddled by it. I fooled around. I recorded several videos. I couldn't figure it out. Then all of a sudden, when I turned this off, the volume played. I don't get it, okay? So anyways, that's how you do that. That's how you use the DJI Mic2 with your iPhone.